Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install eBay front lip. Firstly, ensure there are no cracks, bends or missing parts and hold it against the front bumper to check alignment and fitment. Wipe down the insulation area with soap and water to remove dirt and grease and use masking tape to mark where you'll drill or attach screws. There are two main methods. Firstly, have someone help hold the lip in place or use tape to temporarily secure it. If the lip requires drilling, carefully drill small pilot holes into the bumper and use self-taping screws or bolts with nuts to secure the lip. Tighten them evenly from the one side to the other. Stick double-sided 3M tape along the mounting edges of the lip and hold the lip in place for at least 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. If needed, add a few screws underneath for extra security and make sure the lip is centered and symmetrical. Ensure they are secure but don't over-tighten, which could crack plastic lips. And if the lip is tough, especially polyurethane, gently heat it up to help mold to the bumper. If the lip is too short or too long, adjust the mounting points or trim slightly if necessary, and drive slowly over speed bumps and steep driveways to avoid scraping. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.